Good evening, everybody. Welcome to the channel. I am out on the Honda Trail 125, going for a little ride. Trying to take it easy, but this road may be a little rough. I've been but a couple weeks out of surgery and trying to take it easy. Probably not even supposed to be on the bike, but you know. So this is a little off-road excursion here just outside of Bisbee, Arizona. It goes up the mountain to these towers. Pretty neat little road. I've made a video up here before. Thought it'd be a good time to take the Trail 125 up here. It's not an extremely rough road, but normally you don't just get out of surgery and you come riding off-road, so I'm good as long as I don't go fast on the bumps. Just take it easy. So long as we just putt-putt up through here, should be just fine. It's not too bad, not yet anyway. I don't know about the monsoon rains, it could have washed some of this out. A little rough, little rough. The washboard effect here is kind of rough. There's somebody coming up behind me. I'm sure they're going to want to blow by me like crazy, so I'll let them go. Sure, they'll go faster than me. So, some kind of a side-by-side. Kind of a funky looking one. Everybody wants to pass me. That old slow woodsman. Parts of the road here is pretty smooth, not bad at all. I see something right there built out like a, I don't know if that's part of an old mine or what that is. Wooden structure. But that's kind of rough. Not rough enough it hurts. It's a pretty steep climb right here. Of course, it seems a little steeper on this bike than it does the 300L. Well, we're way up here now, above Bisbee over there. Look at that, that's a long way down there. We'll see what our elevation is. 5,800 feet. You can definitely see the mountains out across there. Beautiful. Beautiful mountains. Well, you can see mountains way over in there too. So you know these people have got a good view from their house and big windows up there. Looks like you have much parking beside the road. This is a little lookout, or what this is. Kinda, sorta. Where you can see Bisbee down there. That's a steep climb right there. You get this thing four-stroking. Well, we're at 6,000 feet now. It's still not too bad. Not near as high as like Carr Peak, Ramsey Peak over in there, but this is the Mule Mountains. Fun little ride up here anyway. There's even like little camp places over in here, I know. Places to camp up in here. There's a pond over there. It does have some water in it. The last time I was through here, it was pretty much dry. Been a while. Camping spots there. Looks like somebody camping up here. Yep, they got a tent out there, and a Jeep Gladiator, and a big old dog. Ah, that's smoother stand up over that stuff. There's somebody camping up here in a bus. Running squirrel. Running right up the road up through there. We have made it to the radio tower. The end of the road. We are at 7,043 feet. So we've made it up here quite a ways. It's about close to the top as you're going to get. A little rougher than I wanted to be on here. See the road through there. I come up, comes around. There's the highway down there. Kind of winds its way up that way and around to get up here. Comes up on top. Through here there's that bus over there. But pretty neat little place if you're Bisbee. Want to go off-road a little bit. Nothing extreme, nothing like that. But pretty cool to come up here to see the views. Definitely got some beautiful views of the mountains. It's a long ways out across there. There's mountains just everywhere. But it's where we live here in southern Arizona. It's 360 mountains. I mean, at our house, just outside our RV. I said house, but our RV we live in. I mean, it's 360 mountains all the way around us. Pretty cool. The best view for us is the Huachuca Mountains, which is right in front of our RV. And we can see them real good. But there, we made it up here. Now I'm going to head back down and probably head toward the house. So thank you all for watching. God bless. Just remember Jesus is Lord. Thank you for all He's done. Thank you, Jesus, for everything you've done for me, bringing me through this surgery and getting me healed up where I can get back on the motorcycle. Thank you for everybody that supported the channel. Please continue to support my channel. Thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below. We'll catch y'all in the next video. Right on.